Hey guys, what's up? Um, yeah, well, kind of got a bit of a cold, so my voice is gonna sound a bit weird, and I'm probably gonna be messing up a few words, um, which is not unlike normal, but I guess it'll be a bit annoying. Anyway, um, yeah, okay. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna talk about textures for map objects. And we're not going to be talking about exporting map objects because that's quite a big topic. I just want to tell you guys about textures for map objects. We're not even going to make a good model. We're not even going to export the model. We're just going to go over textures and we're going to go over how to get them in the game. Because mapping is a very big topic, and I hope to do a series about mapping. But for now, I'm just gonna talk to you guys about the textures. So just we're gonna create a random box. Don't worry about just pretend this is your model scaled to the correct size and all working, and it's a completed mesh, and everything is finished on your box or whatever your model is. So and it's in the center and everything. All right, so we're gonna click M to open up the material editor, and we're gonna select we're going to change this from standard to a GTA material. We're going to click where it says none next to color. We're going to select bitmap, and now you can open up your one of your textures. So I got this one that says the green room, and I'll just drag that onto the thing and then click on this button here that says show standard map in viewport. Now that's all great, fantastico. It's on the front, but what about the top? That looks a bit demented. That's not right. And the back. So I'm just gonna. This has nothing to do with modeling. Sorry if I'm not helping you with any modeling, but this is really just purely about textures. Okay. So select face, or polygon, probably face. Depends what you like. Go into one of the side viewports or top viewports and select a whole group of the faces. Most likely for this, it's going to be the back and the sides. To keep the front as the green room thingy, and the back is going to be wood. So select a new sphere with no texture on it. Change that from standard to another GTA material where it says none. Click bitmap, and now I'm going to import another texture, which I did quickly just a few seconds ago. It's called wood. Now all you got to do, while you got the faces selected, drag on the new texture, and also go back and say select show standard map in viewport. Now you got your basic thing. Yours might be complicated. This sure is something basic. Select face again to exit face mode. Now we got those textures mapped on there. So say you just exported that, it's all in there. You know how to do that already, but you don't know how to do textures. So I'm just going to show you how to get that into your game. So open up TXT Workshop, open image, and then open GTA3.img. Now to create a new texture directory, you're going to want to go file, we're going to open up an old texture directory. We're going to go archive, export. Actually, I'm going to export something else. What should we export? Anything. Just choose a random thing. Archive, export, and then just save it to anywhere. Now, you're going to go archive add, and add that same texture directory. Now the reason you have to do that is because, well, in the previous versions of TXT Workshop, you could create a new texture from scratch, but unfortunately, the dude who made it, forget his name, sorry, kind of messed up a bit of the code, and now that doesn't work anymore. So delete every texture apart from one in that texture directory. Actually, before that, right click on the texture that you just added and click rename and call it the same name as your model. So I don't know, for example, test111.txd. Alright, so and save. Yeah. Alright, so click on import on the one texture you got in there and import one of your textures. One of the textures you put on the model. So one of the textures we imported was tgr.png. So we're going to go into properties now, change the name to tgr or whatever the name of your texture was, and make sure compressed is ticked. Now go save txt. We're also going to go image, templates, insert image from templates, and select the second one here and click import. Now on that, we're going to go import and then import another texture you might have, and do the same process for every texture you want to import. Now select wood.png, properties, change this to wood. Now click compressed and click OK. Now save, and that's all done. So that is how you create a texture directory for your model, presuming that you already know how to set up and export and import your model. I'm going to go over maps more another time. This is just a little quick helpful tutorial. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.